Welcome to my channel. It's your girl 2degreesnojob. Alright, so boom. This is part 1 of a 2-part series featuring 3 projects that will transform any bedroom. This first hack is very easy. We're going to be spray painting the finials on curtain rods. We're spray painting the ends of the curtain rods because we can and because we want to make a bold statement. Like, what's up? Like, I know y'all see the difference. We went from like, regular schmegular to like, you didn't have to break the bank for it. So, you know what I'm saying? You don't gotta recreate the wheel, sweetheart. This one's a nostalgic one. My client, which also happens to be my boyfriend, loves jcole. So we came up with this idea, and it was to mimic a plaque, but we put our own spin to it. The materials you will need are a large picture frame. This one's from IKEA. Poster board paper and double-sided tape. Since I want my background to be white for the plaque, the first thing I'm going to do is add poster board paper to the background and then add the frame on top of it using double-sided tape. Now that our background is secured, we can now move forward to adding the CDs and the album covers. And again, we're going to be using the double-sided tape. I know that in this new era, a lot of us stream music as opposed to actually buying physical copies, but this is a very great way to showcase your favorite artists, especially if they've signed any of your CDs or dollar bills.
For the first 5-10 minutes, but then they was real good. They was. They was embedded.
Project number 3, and for this one, the first thing we're gonna do is mind our fucking business because I look a hot mess and it's none of your business. Anyways, for this one, we're going to be installing 2 closet rods. The first one is going to be all the way at the top, and the second one will be at the middle. Just watch. I'm from New York City and space is very limited. By adding 2 rows, now my client will be able to put his hoodies on top and then also put some items on the bottom. And just like that, you added more storage in your closet. Nah, I deadass ate all these 3 projects. Let me know which one was your favorite one. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'ma see ya. Peace. Hold up, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished? Here's a sneak peek of part 2, the bedroom makeover reveal.